In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access and manage messages for your Facebook business page using Meta Business Suite. Start by opening your Facebook business page. This is the public page for your brand or organization, not your personal profile. Make sure you're logged in to the Facebook account that has access to manage the page. If you have more than one role or multiple pages, double-check you're on the correct one before moving on. Once your page is open, take a quick moment to confirm you see the page toolbar at the top. This is where you'll find what you need next. Look for the messages icon, which appears as a speech bubble near the top of your page. Clicking this icon takes you directly into your page's inbox. On most accounts, Facebook will redirect you seamlessly to Meta Business Suite, which is the central hub for managing your page's communications across Facebook and, if connected, Instagram as well. If the interface looks a bit different from the standard Facebook layout, that's expected. Meta Business Suite is designed specifically for managing business activity, including messages, comments, and notifications, all in one place. Once you're in Meta Business Suite, you'll see your inbox organized so you can quickly find what matters. Conversations typically appear in a list on the left, with the selected conversation in the center and helpful details about the person and their past interactions on the right. This layout makes it easy to read and respond without jumping around between tabs or apps. You can open any conversation to read the full message history and then type your reply in the composer box. If you manage a high volume of inquiries, it's helpful to keep your responses concise and friendly and use your brand's tone consistently. You can also keep your inbox tidy by marking messages as read or following up later, depending on your team's workflow. From here, you can read, reply, and manage all messages sent to your page. Think of this as your command center. Review incoming inquiries, respond in a timely manner, and keep track of ongoing conversations. If you collaborate with a team, agree on simple conventions, like who handles which topics, to avoid duplicate replies. As a good habit, check your inbox regularly, especially during your business hours, and set realistic expectations in your page description about typical response times. That's it. Go to your Facebook business page, click the messages icon, and manage everything in Meta Business Suite. Keep it simple, stay organized, and your audience will appreciate the quick, professional responses.